Hey guys, before I dive into this Dollar Tree haul, I just want to take a moment to do something I've never done before in my videos, which is to, one, introduce myself virtually and say thank you to another YouTuber. So, thank you to Bethany. She has her own channel. If you just happen to not know who she is, I'm gonna link her channel at the end of my video. You can just click on it, it will take you straight to it. But chances are you probably know exactly who she is. She has a truckload of subscribers, and if you are actually here from her channel and you've subscribed to me, thank you so much for that. And thank you, Bethany, for shouting my channel out. I found out some of my subscribers were telling me in my comment section, and when I went and watched those videos, I was in utter shock. I was like, what? It was absolutely nuts, like just seeing that. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I actually hauled quite a bit of stuff, but I'm gonna turn it into two different hauls. One is actually gonna turn into a gift basket idea. So we're gonna follow maybe the video after this, the next day. I'm not really sure where it's gonna fall in, but I just wanna let you know that I have an exciting Christmas gift basket idea coming up. So, and I've done a lot in my day, and in my Christmas playlist linked down below for you. I'm grabbing in no particular order for today, but glad this is the first thing. So you guys know I'm done trying snacks on my channel, but I found caramel bugle bites, or bugles. What? I have a recipe tutorial with bugles, and let me tell you, it's everything. They're addictive, but I have a tutorial up for you, so I'll link that down below for you as well. It is the best fun holiday treat if you have to take something to work, potluck, some sort of white elephant thing, or whatever it is that you're doing. I'm telling you, these treats are amazing. Kids can make it with you, and it's like crack. It's addictive. All right, then I picked up some Lifesavers, no big deal, but I like to put some candies in my daughter's advent calendar, so I'm starting to kind of gather some things for that. I saw this cute little box of chocolates. I really liked the packaging, very farmhouse. It's like a picture, a vintage picture of Santa up against a white picket fence with a woodlands landscape. And then it tells you the chocolates that you get in the package. All right, then I found, I'm starting to get some things for stocking stuffers. There's a huge video coming out for that, so you stay tuned. But look at what I found. Family Feud, it's like a strikeout game. It's really cute. I think Family Feud is hysterical. I'll watch it on YouTube every now and then. And they're selling this at Dollar Tree. Then I found this cute little tin can. It actually matches, I think, some of the wrapping paper that I hauled. I believe so. Isn't that interesting? I didn't know that they were matching wrapping paper to some of their other products. So watch out for that. I wish they would do that for the Griswolds, but I think some of the wrapping comes from Greenbrier and some of the wrapping doesn't. And I don't think the Disney themes or the Griswolds is a Greenbrier tag, so that's probably why you're not going to see that. But look how cute the little landscape is. It's like this little old school lunchbox. I think it's cute. It's a great way to put a little present in under the tree. I also got, where is it? I also got this version. I think of these as like little cookie containers. Here is another gift box. You would have probably already seen this in my What's New if I captured that in the video, but I love this box. It just does not look like it came from Dollar Tree. Looks like Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Ross, Hobby Lobby, and it was $1. And they came in different sizes and even like different prints, but this one was my favorite. And guess what I ended up finding? I found the rest of the Christmas Village set. I found the blue little house, and I'm really excited about that. And then I found the hotel. So I think essentially it comes with 4 buildings, but they reuse the blue building and turn it on the side, and they reuse the post office and turn it on the back so that it looks like 2 different buildings. And essentially I guess you could do that with the hotel as well if you just want to like make it look like you have a lot of, you know, buildings and stuff going on. So anyway, finished that collection. One of my favorite things during the holidays to get at Dollar Tree is the command hooks. I think that it's a pretty good deal. I'd have to look again at Walmart, but for one hook, it's $1. And comparable last year, I think it was a great deal, but I got 5 of these and I use these to hang up my Christmas wreaths with. I also got another set of gift tags. They had a couple different variations of this, but I only grabbed this one because, again, I just like the truck. And then some of these just go better with my wrapping. I'm not really a fan of this one or maybe even that one, but I like all the other ones. Got a new candle. This is pineapple upside down cake. I just love these little candles. I can't speak highly enough about them personally. I do it every time, like you're gonna be able to smell it. But Jay, my pineapple sweetie, you may love this. I think this smells fantastic. I think it's probably one of the best top 5 scents. For me personally, we all, you know, just preference, I guess. But it smells so good, and I buy these for my guest bathroom. All right, then I found some new candies. Godiva at Dollar Tree. What? And it's like, it's a good one for me personally. It's milk chocolate caramel Lion of Belgium, but I love milk chocolate with caramel. It's like one of my favorite combos. I don't know how many you get in here. Here's the Lint. Am I saying that right? Lent, I don't know why I can't say this, but this is also a milk chocolate, and look how cute the little Christmas packaging is. These are great for stocking stuffer, advent calendars, little gifts if you want to do like a little chocolate themed basket, which will actually be cute. Thumbs up if you want me to do a chocolate themed Christmas gift basket. Next up, they put up a new wall decor, but it is Harry Potter. So calling all, you know, Gryffindors, Ravenclaws, who else? Hufflepuff, and who are the green people? You're probably shouting it at me right now and I don't know. Slytherin? Did I just nail that? I thought I was a Hufflepuff, but I retook the test and I guess I'm Ravenclaw. So there's that. So anyway, look how cute this is. I love this one, the platform. That's probably one of my favorite like signature symbols of Harry Potter is that 9 3/4 thing they have going on. So I think that's really special. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that they have new wall decor. Again, I use those for planners and not for walls. And next up are shipping labels. I just got these to organize my bins. If you've been watching my vlogs, I'm starting a whole new process of reorganizing all of my holiday decor into new bins and containers. And when I saw this, I thought it would be perfect to slap a little sticker on the side and label it for like Halloween, Christmas, you know, fall, that stuff. Next up are going to be some gift boxes, and I've actually seen some people been tagging or showing their gift boxes on Instagram, and so I am on the lookout for the one that has the trucks and all that stuff, but I found this one and I love it. I think it's so beautiful and shocking, again, for just $1, and I think you get two. You do get 2 counts in here. Look how pretty this is. Let It Snow, and then you have Merry and Bright, and then found this Santa one. It's very vintage, very like vintage with a travel theme. So he's working on a globe, and then he's like mapping stuff out on the back of this one. Is that what he's doing? Yeah. And his book says Extra Good Boys and Girls. That's really cute. I love the attention to detail here. He's got his little yarn or whatever that is. So I think that's really cool, and wanted to point that out. All right, so some new gift bags, and all right, Dollar Tree, all right, I see you. Look at these. I'm loving the snowy feature for some reason this year, probably because it hasn't snowed in Dallas in a while, and I'm just really hoping this year will be the year that it snows. But the tractor out in this woodland forest says Merry, and the side just is a continuation of the print, which I really like when they do that. Sometimes when they add a pattern, I think it kind of takes away from the image. So I like how they did that. And then this one is a little red wagon with a tree and the cardinal. So I love that. It goes really well. My decor, I think it's really beautiful. This one says jingle, which I really like. And then I found some really cute little, look at this. I have not seen this around anywhere, but again, I just don't watch other Dollar Tree hauls, so I have no idea what other people are finding. But look how cute this little one is with the camper, and you get 3 for $1. That one's a lot. No, it's actually really pretty. It just looks like a lot on camera, but it's actually really pretty. And then this one, Deck the Halls. I just got doubles, is basically what I got. But this one says warmest wishes, and I love the mug. It's really cute. Nice little reindeer back. And this one, the most wonderful time of the year. I love that little polka dot feature. And this one, it's very classic, very traditional. It's beautiful. And this one, you know, is gonna be my favorite. I don't know what it is about prints like these, but I love them. All right, and the very last things are shockers to me. I don't know how, I'm very pleasantly surprised. I'm just gonna show you. I don't know how to describe how surprised I am, I guess, but this I'm not so surprised by. They've been putting out these adult coloring books for quite some time, but I love that they're putting out like themes that go with the holiday. Silent Night, I think that's really fun, and I love how the cover art looks. And then of course, look at all the fun prints. I love that it also goes with the theme of Christmas and the holiday. Like, look at all that food. Even though I'm not a huge fan of adult coloring books, I just like the children's coloring books better. I don't like to color so small, but I don't know, this one kind of makes me want to start coloring in this one like ASAP. So got that, and now let's look at these. These are amazing, and these are just fun for travel. If you're doing a lot of traveling, or if you know you're gonna be waiting in line, like, I don't know, you know, the Black Friday deals, and if you stand in line or you pitch out your tent because you're waiting for something, go grab yourself some of these, because these look like a ton of fun. And these are like Spot the Difference and Seek and Finds. So I saw this variation with the tropical, and then basically you have 2 of the same photo, and then you have to spot the difference in them. This is really great brain work too. And here's another Spot the Difference, also a tropical theme, but with fish. And then, wow, that'll keep you busy. And this one was the one that was different. It's a Seek and Find. Kind of reminds me of Where's Waldo, and then it kind of looks like you could color this too if you wanted to. So you could double it, or maybe you color the item that you find, or like however you want to treat that. But I've always used to love Where's Waldo. All right, then I saw these. These are going to be great gifts, you guys, if you have to do gifts for coworkers, white elephant, or just something unexpected and you want to have like a backup, because maybe every year you experience, oh, I need to have like an extra gift for somebody and I don't have time to get something. Go buy yourself some of these and just store them just in case. I think these are great gifts, and they're beautiful. Like, they're just done so beautifully. Sudoku puzzles, if you don't know what those look like, it's like a number crossword puzzle kind of. And then this one is crossword. Look how, what? I don't even know what to say. And word search. This one's really pretty. Kind of reminds me of Lily Pulitzer, the pattern, a little bit. very girly, very preppy a little bit. And this one is another word search. Look how beautiful, that is a navy. So this is probably one of the most exciting like planner, not planner, but just stationery not accessories, but just like stationery items that's probably come through Dollar Tree, in my opinion, in terms of puzzles. I haven't seen anything quite this lavish. And the final thing, it is again another adult coloring book, but the quality of this, I found this in the book section. I'm not sure where you're gonna personally find this in Dollar Tree, but look, for $1, that's nuts. They still sell adult coloring books. It's still very trendy, very actively out for you to purchase at Target and Walmart and just any kind of store that sells stuff like this. So the fact that this is at Dollar Tree for $1, and not only that, but it is also a planner. And it doesn't have like the calendar set, which means you could at any point start this planner whenever you wanted to. You could start your own month, your own week, and then you can color it. This is a very exciting find. All right, guys, that is it for this haul. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm gonna have a gift basket. I'm looking up because I'm looking at it, but I'm gonna have that video up soon. I did put on my Instagram story my weekly lineup, so follow me on Instagram because I do use my Instagram stories very often to let you guys know when I'm posting videos, and it's an easy method for you to get to my videos from there. And then because I link them for you in the story, and I also have started putting out my lineup so that you know what's going to be coming out that week, so that it's not a complete surprise. And if it's something that you're interested in, you can maybe like mark on your calendar and whatever you want to do. That's it for this haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.